Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and today we're going to be working on these tips. They have already been base coated and then we are going to paint them all this really beautiful black color by Gelixir. The black is going to be our foundation and we're going to build from there. I am inspired today by color blocking nails. I see Votino doing those a lot. They're very popular right now. I know I saw another creator do something similar recently. I was so inspired by the look, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle it ourselves today, just to show this is a very dramatic but very easy look to create. That is why we have a very short video today as well, because it didn't take that long to do this. And every nail is so similar, I'm only gonna show you a couple because otherwise, you're going to click away from the video because it's going to be too repetitive, and we want to keep those watch times up, right? Let's keep it for real. Keep your cleanup brush handy because if you make a tiny little mistake and you don't want to erase the whole thing, it's nice to be able to just fix what you did. We are using a little Gelixir base coat right now, and we're laying that down in the half of the French tip. And then I'm going to burnish in this real pretty red chrome powder, sorry, brain fart, red chrome powder that is gonna look, because we're using a base coat, it's gonna give it more of a velvety look, even without having to use a matte top coat, because I didn't want these to be matte. It's still gonna give it kind of a velvety look. Now, once you get that burnished in, we are gonna go ahead and make half of the top of the French. And again, we're just going to fill that in with the base coat. Be really careful not to get it on the red, because if you get it on the red, your green's going to go on the red. That's not what you want. And if you have to clean it up, you're going to remove the red. So this is one where you just sort of have to trust yourself to not make a mistake and to be super, super careful. But don't put pressure on yourself either, because that'll make you shaky and you'll make a mistake. So just chill it out. Then after curing, and I'm just curing these for 30 seconds, by the way. Then we're going to come in and burnish in the green. And be careful at that line, as if in case, see, look, you can see I got a little green on the red. I'm going to transcend that and let it be, but I did get a little green there. On this nail, we're doing the full bed. Instead of half of the nail bed, we're doing the full nail bed, but we are going to split the tip. Split the tip? That sounds weird. It almost sounded dirty, right? That is so funny. So once we get all of the nails chromed up or velveted up, I guess, we're going to pick one of these. And this is by Enail Couture. The middle nail, the middle finger, is going to be fully transfer foil. And this transfer foil is holographic snowflakes, which is, I think, perfect for the season because a lot of people are living with snow right now. Not me, but a lot of people. I live in the desert. There's no snow here. But even when I didn't live in the desert, I'm not a fan of the snow. So I've not lived in snowiness since I was a little kid, like 7. So I don't know how to live in the snow. That would be a whole skill I'd have to learn. So now on all of the black portions of the nails that we've done already, the little Frenches, we're gonna do the transfer foil. Guys, I told you this was an easy set, and it really, really is. It doesn't take a long time to do. You need to have some nice base coat, a transfer foil gel, and some pretty transfer foil you like. You don't even need, if you don't have chrome, you don't need to use chrome. You could use just regular polish. You could use 3 different kinds of transfer foil, right? There's so many options with a set like this. Color blocking is just a really great way to add some style and pizzazz to your nails. And it's super simple and a very effective look, I think. I think this looks super Christmas, super winter, super snowy, ready for all of those holiday parties that you might be going to. And you could do these any colors, like you could do blue and silver or purple and gold or any kind of holiday color that you like. Whatever holiday that you are celebrating in December or not celebrating in December, you could make this fit for any occasion. And like I said, it's not hard. right? You need to have a tiny bit of a steady hand, but considering how shaky I am, if I can do it, I think you could probably do it too. Guys, this is the finished set. I told you it was going to be a super short video today. I hope you stayed till the end to see everything. And if you did, let me just say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'm so glad you came by to see me today. I hope you like these nails as much as I do. I hope that everybody who sees them is inspired like I'm inspired by Votino. So thanks again, guys, for watching. We're going to see you next time, which will be Tuesday next week. Until then, bye-bye.